My esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today I'm here for you with a special website that will be able to earn you just for conducting little surveys. Okay, so all you just need to do now, make sure you have a smartphone, make sure you have a network connection, and navigate yourself to your Chrome browser and type in nweb.com. Okay, nweb.com is a platform that allows you to make money just by conducting little survey, answering little questions, and also performing little activities. Okay, so you can see this is my dashboard. All you just need to do, make sure you sign up. Click on sign up, make sure you sign up. You can see I have my account already, and you can see currently I just sign up on this account and my wallet balance is currently 0. Okay, so the ways the catching out mode of this very website is through PayPal and also crypto wallets. Okay, so this is the website. Let's scroll down and see. This is it. This is it. Okay, so the next thing that you just need to do, so all you just need to do is to click on your task. You can see, click on your task here, offer wall and survey. So all you just need to do is to come to this place and click on show task and hold on a little. So how to complete this task? To enter the partner external offer wall, click the button below. Complete tasks and receive coins. They should appear on your account within an hour. Okay, with coins you also gain experience. 1 coin is worth 100 points. Okay, so all you just need to do, as you can see here, the moment you complete your task and it's been reviewed, your money will appear, your coin will appear on your wallet balance, and those coins can be converted to USDT for withdrawal, okay, through either your PayPal or through cryptocurrency. Okay, now we click on show the task. So you wait patiently for the task to load. Now you can see the task. Okay, the Smash Party Hero Action Android. What do you need to do here? Play the game and complete the task. You get up to 20 coins. Okay, all right. The second one says Paul Lights Android. Okay, you get up to 47.1 coin here. All you just need to do, collect coin within an app by taking surveys. Okay, so you can see a lot of surveys here. All you just need to do is just make your choice of survey and click on it. Let me do this and see. Okay, let me proceed to offer here. So this one wants me to download the game, play the game, and I will earn up to 20 coins. Okay, so let's see what the second one is telling us to do. Collect coin within the app by taking a survey. Proceed to offer. So this one as well, what you just need to do, download the app and perform the little survey and earn your 47.1 coin. Okay, all right, you can now see how task is performed here. Okay, so all you just need to do now, let's go to multi reward and see what's going on there. It's same thing. I see my coin. This is your user ID. This is where you find your user ID. Okay, I see all offers here. So now I'll be going back to my dashboard. So since you have seen how these things really works, all you just need to do is to dive in and start downloading, play the games, downloading, conduct a survey, answer some little questions, and get your coin on your wallet. And those very coin, don't forget, they can be converted to USDT. Okay, now let's check here. Let's check what this voucher is saying. Crypto voucher, $5 Litecoin, virtual currencies. collect rest. Okay, show task again, show task again. Okay, now you really see it how it works. All you just need to do, start performing your tasks and start earning your coin. And those coin, as we said, can be converted to what? To USDT. And this USDT can be withdrawn through either PayPal or crypto wallets. But most supported withdrawal this thing here is PayPal. Okay, so let's see what this one has to offer. Let's see this reward value. Let's go there. This one will take you to the task again. So you can see all. You can see there are a lot of tasks here to be completed. So all you just need to do, start completing your tasks now. If you do have any question, do not hesitate to ask. Drop it at the comment section and I will get to you ASAP. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. Before I go, I would like to still explain a few things to you, which are those things that are under here. So you can see here, this is the dashboard. You can see here, this is the reward list. Here you can directly exchange coin for rewards. Okay, you can see you can exchange 1.25 coin in PayPal, crypto vouchers on Binance. So you can see, and don't forget you can as well redeem your card here, your coin here, or your money here using MasterCard. Okay, so the next thing that I want us to see here is this wallet. Let's see the wallet. Okay, this is the wallet. Whatever you earn, this is where it will reflect. Okay, let's click on this and see. Refi system registration booster. Okay, activate booster. This activating this booster activation, the essence of it is that it helps a lot of tasks to keep popping up on your dashboard so that you can keep performing a lot of tasks, as many as you want. Okay, that is for this. And this place is your notification center. Okay, this is where you receive your notification. Whatever notification that is sent to you will appear here and you will deal with it immediately. Okay, so and this place, that is the next to the notifications. Okay, this is where you can ask any of your questions. Okay, you can search any of your questions, payout reward. Here you can find important information about payout and different type of rewards. We also have guides. Okay, task, offer was survey. I know a lot of you people might have heard about this offer was survey, right? All the information about different ways of collecting coin on NWeb. Okay, so I think that is it. This brings us to the end of this very tutorials. If you do have any question, as I said earlier, do not forget to drop it at the comment section and I will get to you ASAP. So thank you so much for sticking with me to the end of this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. If you have not liked, please like, and also share my videos so that it will get to a lot of people that need something of this very nature. So thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.